This De'Longhi bean-to-cup coffee machine can create your favourite hot drinks with ease. The Latte-crema system produces dense milk foam at the perfect temperature for creamy cappuccinos, so you can enjoy barista-style coffee from the comfort of your own home. Automatic cleaning ensures that the whole of the milk container and its components are cleaned using water and steam. Your coffee will always be prepared hygienically and the flavours will be maintained. With an integrated coffee grinder, whole coffee beans can be ground with 13 adjustable settings. Create a range of drinks with your favourite coffee beans with ease. Add a stylish touch to your kitchen with this easy to use and maintain De'Longhi bean-to-cup coffee machine.